What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Rosh Reviews. Today I've got the F6 out in the driveway and I've got a real treat to show you guys. I really cannot wait to get these wheels on. I somehow miraculously came across these wheels. They were in Perth. They're from a guy who was a part of the FPV collective group here. Was a real legend, real nice guy. And when I seen these wheels, I had to jump on them and get them straight away because I really was not planning on sort of getting anything, you know, not essential wise yet until I had the whole car sorted. But yeah, these wheels, they came up and I just could not refuse them. They were for a really good price. They're just in absolute immaculate condition. I'm not going to give them away just yet. Yeah, it's quite dark over there, but in the corner. And yeah, I'm going to be taking off the Dark Argents here, which I actually really do like them. And the more I've been actually thinking about it and like changing the wheels, the more I'm thinking like actually the Argents actually really do suit this car. So it's going to be quite interesting to see sort of the before and after, because I'm still trying to picture it in my head what they're going to look like. But I'm pretty confident you guys can guess what they are already. So if you want to take a stab, leave a comment down below at what you think it's going to be. I'm pretty confident a lot of you guys will get it. It's not Simmons. No way. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to jack the car up. I'm going to start taking off these wheels, and yeah, then we will show you what we got. Alright, so the moment of truth here. These are, drum roll, FPV twist wheels. And these ones are just in like immaculate condition. I just scored big time finding these in Perth. And yeah, these are the wheels I always wanted for this car. And they're really quite a difficult wheel to find. So I got a set of 4, absolutely in perfect condition. Gonna look really good on this car. And yeah, the tires, well, yeah, they've seen better days. Probably have to replace them sooner rather than later, but we'll get to that eventually. But again, there is just absolutely no rashing at all on these wheels. Like, they seriously look brand new. The only bit of like, not even really damage, just age, is sort of the clear coat a little bit. It's just peeling where the FPV caps are. Only on 2 wheels as well, so it is just, yeah. Huge thanks to Jack, One Mean GT, for actually tagging me the minute these got posted up on Facebook, because yeah, he really helped me secure these. So yeah, let's get these on the car. Alright, so we've got the front wheels on now, and yeah, I really like it. I don't know, I think it's going to be 50-50 what people like more, you know, whether they like the twists or do they like the Argents. I actually really don't mind both of them the more I look at it, but these twists, as soon as I get the suspension sorted in this and lower it a little bit, it is just gonna look perfect. And obviously, yeah, I really am gonna have to invest in some new tread here very soon. So yeah, any tire sponsors out there, send me an email. Yeah, but no, I actually really like the look of that. That's gonna look so much cleaner, especially once I get this car polished, you know, fully detailed, the front bumper done. I think these will look a lot better, and the condition is just 100%. But anyways, as we digress, let's get the back ones on and then take another good look. Alright, so all the wheels are on the car now, and yeah, I'm actually really stoked. I think they look really good. It's one of them things, like I think once the car is totally detailed and cleaned and the FPV badges and that are a little bit more polished, it's really going to pop this chrome. And yeah, it's just everything's a little bit dull at the moment. It's a little bit dirty. And I think that's probably why these looked quite all right on them. I mean, these are a good looking wheel, don't get me wrong. Really do like these Dark Argents, but it's just preference. But I really just think these twists just have that little bit more of a wow factor. You get that chrome, and then it bounces off the chrome with like the Typhoon badge. And yeah, I just think it works. Well, we're here, we might as well take it for a quick drive, just because there was a bit of wheel vibration. I was suspect that it was these Argents. We couldn't find any buckles, we couldn't find any flat spots, but we kind of suspect that it might have been these wheels. What I keep getting told from people on the comments and everything is that it's possibly the brake booster. So apparently the brake booster in this thing will just go for whatever reason, and it kind of messes with the ABS and that, and it'll just kind of pulsate, giving you that sense of a vibration at highway speed. So let's hope it's just a quick fix. Let's hope when we go for, well, we'll see. If we still got vibration on the highway when we take this out now, then we know that it's most likely going to be that brake booster, because then we checked the tie rods and everything. It all seemed pretty sweet, so possibly that brake booster. But anyways, we won't know until we go, so let's get in this sucker. All right, so in the car now. Whew, it's hot in here. Now, I have not gotten the diff bushes sorted yet, though I do have these Super Pro bushes on order, so I've ordered them in. Let's hope that they get here within the week. I've got a place that's going to supply me the rear control arms. I think I'm just going to go with the whole assembly, and yeah, just have a new one in there and just try not to worry about it for a while, let's hope. I've also got the rocker cover seal on order. The spark plugs, I've ordered spark plugs, they have arrived, so I've got the spark plugs here. Gonna get a factory coil pack and try and avoid this whole gauge cluster issue. Thank you guys for letting me know about the coils and that. So rocker cover, spark plugs, coil pack, all gonna be done in the same video. What else did I get? I've got another thing on order. Oh, the bonnet release, that is broken, so I've got to use a pair of pliers now to open it. So I've ordered a new one. It's actually arrived, so possibly after I do this drive I might fit it if I have time. And then other than that, you might see I have quite a bit of cleaning gear and stuff back in the back seat. I was fortunate enough to get a sponsor that is, bloody, what are they? Bowdens. I think that's how you pronounce it. Bowdens. They're all Aussie. They do like really good car care products. To pretty much anything you want, they can do it. That is the good thing though, is that, you know, it is all proudly all Aussie owned and operated. And me and a couple other YouTubers here in Perth, Mark and Cars, Joy Drive, we're planning on doing a bit of a collaboration, and Bowdens was good enough to sponsor us and say, hey, look, we'll give you a pack. And let me tell you, I'm gonna do a video on it soon. This pack is absolutely massive. It's gotta be worth hundreds of dollars. You know, it's quite a big pack. And they pretty much gave one to each of us. So a video of me doing a full detail of this car is gonna be coming up very soon. And yeah, we'll be featuring those products. But anyways, I digress. This is all future bull crap, so let's go. Again, sorry for the audio here if it's crappy. I just can't be stuffed getting the other microphone out, so hope you hear that. And the thud. Diff pushes, man. God damn. It's worth it for that flutter though. And again, just trying to get that standard intake setup back on. I've got pretty much every piece I need now, besides the piece that goes from your crossover into the airbox. So I need that little rubber piece that goes from the crossover. It's yeah, just been a bit of a pain to try and find one. So if any of you guys have a spare one lying around, you know, I'd much appreciate it if I could take it off your hands. So let me know in the comments if you do. Let's just see here. Yeah, the vibration's gone. I'm going 100, I just went 110 there. Absolutely no vibration in the wheel, absolutely no vibration in the seat. Wow, okay. God damn, I love that flutter. I just haven't really been able to push this car as much as I want because, again, just these damn diff pushes, I'm just worried I'm gonna knock something out of place and yeah, just put too much pressure on it. So I've been driving it so grandma-ly over the past, like, I haven't really been driving it, but anytime I've had to, I've just been so cautious. And yeah, I just really want to send it so bad. I swear to God, as soon as I get those diff pushes put in, it is just going to be a full send straight out of that workshop. Alright, so we are back. The car drove really nicely. It actually sorted out that vibration issue I was having. So obviously we've got a issue on one of these wheels. Now I'm going to really have to investigate. Let's hope there is no sort of, let's get these gloves and just sort of feel if we can feel a bit of a bump anywhere. No, I don't really feel anything there either. This tire is what's happened. You can actually clearly see it here. I'm not really sure how the hell that's happened, but okay, let me just show you what I mean. So this is a smooth road, and it's going back and forth. And when I feel it, and you can kind of see it there, see? Just on this side, it is higher than the other side. You can see that big bump there. Yeah, I don't know what the hell he's done, but there's actually a big lump here. The rim should be fine because I don't feel any whatsoever any issue with the rim. On both sides there, they really feel straight. It's just that tire. come on, this is, yeah. That tire is actually different. That these three have the same set of tires. So these actually have really good tires put on them. They're still like got heaps of tread. So these three obviously have had them replaced. Old mate was too lazy to change this one or too cheap. And this tire is the one that is just got the massive vibration in it. So again, look, this is a smooth garage floor. The wheel is perfectly flat here, and we're just gonna roll it really gently. And look at that lump, look at that bump sideways. But anyways guys, I'm going to finish the video off here today. I'm absolutely wrapped with how these wheels came out. They just look so good in my opinion, and sorted out that vibration as well. So yes, one more job ticked off the list. So yeah, again, just so happy with the way they turned out, and the fact that these ones only need one new set of rubber on the one tire is just great news as well. So the rims are all good. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you're new here, and we'll see you on that next video.